In order to arrange out the layout of your text right here, what you can do is you can work with tab stops. So over here, if I were to press tab, you can see that this actually moves on the right hand side, and I can click and drag this just like this to change the tab out right over there. But if I'm sure where I want the tab, I can actually click over here. Let's say, for example, I want the tab right over here on 1 inch area. I can click here and you get this menu right here. And then you can click on add left tab stop. Once I press tab now, you can see right here that it arranges it out on the same area once I press tab. So just like this. I can go over here as well and then click left tab stop right over there. And as I press tab, you can see that it arranges itself out in the 1 inch area. I can move this out as well and it changes that out right here. Click and drag it out to actually go back to default. Similarly, I have the center tab stop right here, and once I press tab with that, you can see that it centers it out right over here just like this. So, but there's a bit of a space going on right over there. And then there's right tab stop over here. So if I were to press it, it pushes this a bit forward right over here. So just like this, I can work around with the tab stops to arrange out everything, as you can see right here. And that's how you can work with tab stop inside of Google Docs document.